Namaste friends, welcome back to Featherswood. In today's episode, we're gonna see other beautiful aviary which is run by very youngsters and they are college students as well. So guys, before I say about something about his aviary, let's call him and let's know more about his aviary and what birds he has and everything in detail. So, friends, let's know more about Dhanush, about his aviary and what type of birds he has, and from when he started raising birds, and how did he get interest and everything. So, hi Dhanush.
Hi friends,
From when did you start, breeding birds, and what type of birds you have?
I started before 1 year. I have few pairs of budgies, I have few pairs of cocktails, I have few pairs of finches, I have few pairs of Africans, a few pairs of conures, and I have two pairs of sun canor and a pair of monk.
So, Dhanush, how do you basically maintain your birds with respect to their, feed and everything?
Uh, by the morning, I will start with fruits, vegetables, and plain seeds like millets, sunflower seeds, and etc. And I give them fruits like apple, pomegranate, banana, etc. And vegetables like carrot, beetroot, etc. I use medicines like Vimeral, Osteovet, and Relief 52, and so on so. According to their diet and according to their disease or anything which occurs to them.
Okay. So guys, he has told a gist of what he'll be doing on the daily basis. So let's not make delay and let's go inside his area. So guys, we are inside King's Exotic Birds Farm. So here now I'll be showing you all the birds with with respect to their breeding results also. So here you can see a clutch with 6 eggs, and these are the African birds, which is still an young birds and not an adult. And these are the future breeders of this aviary, all the spangles and bit of chiminar as well. And this is one set pair, where you can see small chicks also, three chicks, which is which is taking care by which once again parents are taking very good care of it. And this one good pair again, we can expect certain eggs as well as chicks also. So here you can see a chick hatched, and other 3 or 4 you know eggs might hatch in the coming days. And um, this is one good pair where you can see a very good decent second or third clutch as per no, it's a third clutch as per the aviary is concerned. And these are the China cages, which is 1.5 feet, and this is an apt size for budgies or finches. So, and when it comes to breeding box also, even though it is small, but you get to see some very good results. It once again depends from breeders to breeders whether to give a big box to the birds or small box, since they already had those box and they didn't feel like investing um, on the boxes. And uh, China cages, yes, it is very easy to clean when you have more than 10 or 20 cages. So this is how it is. And in almost all cages you get to see some eggs, as well as if you observe properly, there are females which has eggs in their womb also. So here you can see one more excellent ring variety African lovebirds with 4 chicks. And you can see the den how they make it, guys. So if you just drop on the grasses inside the cage, then that's more than enough, and then they'll start you know uh, making it as a maze or a puzzle structure, so that that will be confused for us to see their chicks, but it will be easy for them to you know uh, uh, go inside and feed them and do everything. Okay. So So this one more peach variety pair, so which will be keeping the eggs soon, because majority of the Africans, when I was there inside the dairy, was meeting. So this one good pair of you know budgies, especially spangles with a very good decent clutch. And you can see one more pair of Crimino spangle female, and which is single. I think male has been expired, and all the chicks were taken care of the mother itself. And here you can see, guys, oh my god, 5 beautiful chicks. So what you can do is, like, once after the chicks are hatched, depending upon the size, even if you shuffle the chicks from one cage to, like one breeding box to other breeding box, so that you don't get to see a much bigger mortality rate. So that that will be a very smart move. If a young clutch, if a young pair, if they are not that successful enough in taking care of their chicks, then give their chicks to an older pair, so that they save all the chicks, because they'll be having a very good experience and very good parenting capacity. So as you can see here, so they save all the chicks whatever you keep. And make sure that don't keep more than 4 to maximum 5 chicks, so that it will be difficult. So here you can see one more very beautiful rainbow pair. I think female might keep an eggs very soon. And these are the beautiful finches, where you can see. And I think even since they are to the adulthood, and few clutches has already been taken, so you get to see some very good chicks in the coming days. So here also you can see a normal zebra and albino finch. So even though this cage size is not that good enough for 2 pairs, but even then, yes, if once they are set, then you can get to see a lot of chicks. Here also you can see a pied male and a fawn female. And about these pairs especially, they have a very good parenting capacity. You keep as many chicks as possible, they'll save sims. So as per the owners are concerned. And here you can see there are eggs in the womb, so that they in this situation, female, especially female budgie, drinks more and more water, so that that will be easy for them to lay eggs very fast. And these two birds are very very friendly and hand tamed birds, guys. So one is an Crimino aqua upline, which is there in my hand. And this was very very friendly. And this is a male, and one more which I'll be taking now in the hand is a the female one. Both were really good with respect to their size, and when with respect to their health condition also. Within no time, since they are hand tamed, breeding might become bit late. And here you can see, guys, in this, since they are very good parents, you can see more than 3 types of budgies inside their breeding box. And this is an albino pair which has already kept 1 egg, and you can expect other 3 to 4 eggs in the coming days. So as per them, even this is very good pair which gives a maximum results. And here also you can see very good clutch, very good parents of with the 5 chicks, taking very good care of them. And here, oh my god, see this guys. Here also it's a mix of many other birds also, made with like albino, green budgie, red budgie. And here you can see 5 chicks. I think this is all of the same parent, which once again take a very good care of their chicks. Here also you can see 5 chicks easily. And this pair is also has kept lots of eggs, but for sure when I candled it, around 6 were fertile, and other 2 were not fertile. But with respect to all these birds, they are breeding really good. And around I saw around 75 chicks within those breeding box, and these are the beautiful looking cocktails. One is a pied and one is a white face pair, and this is a fawn uh, uh, cream face with uh, fawn female, and these had three chicks, guys. Very parenting capacity was really good, and they they will be feeding the bird, and you can see the crop. It is kept very thick, and within no time, you get to see them. They might get nested out within 40 to 60 days, and you can see here one is a pearl pied and male is a gray. It has hatched one chick, and the other two or three will be due, because I tried to candle it, but no, they both were not coming outside. And all these are small chicks, guys. Chicks matlab like a self-feeding chicks, and these all are where the adult birds which was once again kept on nesting, and there were some few semi-adult birds also. And once again all these were the chicks also, the chicks of other cocktails which we saw in the previous clips. So they were like few were tamed and few were not tamed. I didn't feel like taking them out. And apart from those normal varieties, these were the kannurs, small kannurs like blue series kannurs, pineapple kannur with a red factor. All this, even the kannurs were very good, guys, and many. And you can see, semis of sun kannur and blue series. I think this pair was an hand tamed pair, and it was speaking few words very fluently also, guys. So I think I have put a small clip in Instagram. If you missed it, you can follow that also. And they had a monk parakeet also, guys. Even this recently has taken, they have taken a clutch recently. Out of 5 eggs, 4 chicks were hatched, and even all 4 were self-fed by parents, and they got very good result from that pair. And here you can see a pair of pearl with pied. So white face pearl and a pied is a male. So soon they might keep the eggs also. And uh, monk is one bird which makes lots and lots of sound, but they are also a excellent talking parrot. And the next comes Jondia Kannur, which was very joyful, very playful bird, which is completely hand tamed, and even it started speaking few words. When I was there, I something like hi, thank you, bye, and these were a completely hand tamed, Kannurs once again, which was which does certain tricks. you know Once again they were stress busters, as well as an attraction to their king's exotic bird. So guys, this is about the small farm visit about king's exotic aviary. So do follow me in almost all the social medias, and if you are a first timer, please do subscribe my channel, and also do share, like, and enjoy almost all my videos. This is Chetan signing off from Feather. So thank you.